Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable the app drawer on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is go to the settings, and then in the settings we want to find and go to home and lock screen. Then choose home settings and then choose home screen style. Now if you want to use the app drawer, you should select the app tray option, and of course you can also tap the settings icon on the right side in order to adjust the tray style or the app drawer. On the other hand, if you don't want to have the app drawer, you should go for open and then confirm that you want to switch. And once again, on the right side, you can tap on the gear icon in order to adjust the settings. So we have free arrangements and autofill. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.